Alright, well, I want to make sure we're clear. This is not a construction project I'm in charge of. Obviously, there's a tremendous amount of trash all over the place and some interesting other choices. So, let's go ahead and take a look. Got appropriate metal in the cornering, strapping in here. Lots of OSB, expensive. Take a look. Nice little laundry room area. Don't see anything too crazy. Nice long beam, probably for doing some other work. Nice balcony area that we'll have to check out here in a minute. Check out the rest. Big open living room. Look at that ceiling. That is awesome. That's rad. I like a big open ceiling. I like this floor plan. It's nice. Kind of got a party space, party feel. Got the floor plans here for me to look at. Make sure that everything is up to date and all that, which is good. Everything's to code. Everything's being built as laid out in the plans. It's always nice. Exhaust vent. Got some can lighting going in, electrical up. We gotta make sure that it's all locked down and run how it needs to be. The other nice thing, as I've mentioned before, about having these inspections done is, see, nice vaulted ceiling in the master also, is being able to see what was done, right? Being able to check out, you know, like if you have pictures of everything and then you have problems, I'm guessing that having some photos helps out a lot. See in this corner here, they have metal to stop you from hitting it when you are putting up drywall, which is nice. Very nice. Ducting is all put in place. You can see there's right here, that's called strapping. So you want to strap your ductwork so that it's not sitting on, you know how I feel about that. It's not terribly bad. Nice, dense, thick one. Plumbing seems to have been done well. I feel like I was saying something and I stopped. Anyway, nice little toilet room. Not bad. Kind of small. Oh, you know, look, it looks like a big closet, right? But realistically, you can only have things on half of this closet. So it's not like you're getting to hang things on both sides. So it's a fairly small closet for this big of a house, for this big of a master. But you know what? Maybe the person that is living in this house doesn't give a crap. I really like that. I like those windows, those high windows like that. Really looks nice. So, stairs seem to be built very solid. Look at this. Isn't that nice? Built with 2x6 construction. Nice and solid. Hand built. Very nice. Nice little bedroom over here. Nice balcony. Place to put a Christmas tree. Other Halloween decorations. That kind of stuff. Looks like a nice big game room. Who doesn't like a nice big game room? But open a window so you can get some ventilation. Look at that. Nice big game room, vaulted ceiling. This is nice because look, you can look down, see these here, over here, talk to whoever's making the food over in the kitchen area. This is a nice little layout. Got another hall closet. Nice little bedroom here. Not too much wasted space for your ductwork. I like that. Decent sized closet. Nice sized bathroom. Not too big, not too small, but good enough. Right? Got a sink, toilet, tub, nice big window. What else do you need? Look, they even got you a fart fan. That's not required. If you have a window, you don't need a fart fan. But they gave you a fart fan and a window. Isn't that nice? PEX pipe. Like that, more ventilation, fireplace. All right, don't need a whole lot. Last bedroom, check this out. That's pretty neat, right? I'm imagining they're gonna have some sort of way to enter into that. I'll have to look at the plans and see what the plan is on that. Got gas lines in. It's nice. Overall, nice little project. Definitely gonna have to take a deeper dive with the strapping, like I said. Definitely have to take a deeper dive into it, but so far it looks pretty nice. I like it. If you have any questions, you want to take a look at your property, feel free to reach out. The Valhalla Ventures, ReiguideService.com, ReiguideService.com. Happy to answer any questions. Happy to help you out. Even if you don't hire me, you're more than welcome to call me up and ask me anything you want to ask me. I'm always welcoming people's questions. You can reach me at ReiguideService.com or on any of the social medias. Anyway, that's it. Be blessed, bless others, enjoy yourself. Oh, look, I didn't even notice this before when I first logged in. There's a little half bath right here. Perfect. Entertaining guests, running in, having to go to the bathroom real quick. Anyway, be blessed, bless others. Have a great day. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Check you later.